Today, I'm stagger planting our next round of seeds in our raised garden bed. Stagger planting is essentially the process of planting some of your plants now and then waiting a couple of weeks until planting the rest. That way they don't all mature at the exact same time. These cauliflower seedlings were planted about 2 weeks ago, and right next to them we're going to plant a few more in our first round of stagger planting. And on this side of the garden we have carrot seedlings. They're about 3 weeks old. Right next to them we're going to plant a few dozen more. To get started, we're going to want to moisten our garden soil first for easier planting. Then for our cauliflower seeds, you're going to want to plant 1 per garden grid watering system square. They don't need a lot of planting depth, so just cover them with about 1/4 inch of soil. For the carrots, we're going to plant more. We plant 12 per garden grid watering system square, depending upon the size that you're growing. Similar to the cauliflower, you only need to cover them with about 1/4 inch of soil for the right planting depth. Then once everything is planted, make sure to give them all a good drink. Moist soil is essential for seeds to germinate and seedlings to establish their roots. Stagger planting also helps your garden be more productive throughout the growing season. So when your first round of plants are harvested, that opens up space for you to plant something new. While that begins to grow, the other plants that were already growing from your earlier stagger planting are now maturing, allowing you to harvest them, all while everything else continues to grow, giving you an ongoing cycle of harvest and productivity in your garden.